In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to provide GoDaddy Delegate access. This is the safest way to let a trusted person help manage your domains or products without ever sharing your login. It keeps ownership in your hands while giving others exactly the access they need to get work done. Start by going to the GoDaddy website and signing in to the account that owns the products. If you use two-step verification, complete that prompt. It's important to sign in with the correct owner account, not a delegated or secondary profile, so the invitation comes from the right place. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the central area where you manage personal details and security, as well as access for other people. On the Account Settings page, select Delegate Access. You'll see a section labeled People Who Can Access My Account. This is where you'll create and manage invitations for others. If you've never used it before, it may be empty, which is totally fine. Click Invite to Access. A small form will appear. Enter the person's full name and their email address carefully. Use the email they actively check. It doesn't need to be the same email they already use with GoDaddy, but if they don't have a GoDaddy account yet, they'll be prompted to create one when they accept. Double check for typos here. An incorrect email means they won't receive the invitation. Next, choose the appropriate access level. Give the least amount of access required for the tasks they'll handle. For example, if they only need to manage domains, choose the option that limits them to domain-related actions. If they're providing broader help, you can grant a higher level. Keep in mind that delegates can't change your passwords or billing details, and you can adjust or remove their access anytime. When everything looks good, click Invite. GoDaddy will send the recipient an email with instructions to accept. Let them know to check their inbox and spam or junk folder. The invitation will remain pending until they accept it. If needed, you can return to this page to resend or cancel the invite. After they accept, their status will update automatically and they'll be able to access your account as a delegate from their own login. You can come back to the same delegate access page anytime to review, modify, or revoke access in just a couple of clicks. And that's it. Secure, controlled collaboration without sharing your password.